Now, locals and women folk of Kwakaithil Lamdong Lekai staged a sit-in today demanding an NRC updation before the government conducts a census in the state. They also condemned the Manipur police for attempting to arrest JFD Finance Secretary Sunil Karam. During the protest jointly organized by JFD and Kwakaithil Lamdong Lekai Lane 7, demonstrators displayed placards with various slogans including "No NRC, no census." Speaking on the sidelines, Kwakaithil Lamdong Lekai Mairapaibi President Soibam Chitarani strongly condemned the police action. She stated that cracking down on activists spearheading the NRC movement would not suppress the public voice, adding that attempting to arrest the movement's leaders is a direct challenge to the people of Manipur, warning that such attempts would only provoke further agitation. Chitarani highlighted the threat illegal immigration poses to indigenous populations.
aduga sarkar ji painingba aduga tawudaba thongdi khangdaba sarkar se akoi athuba matam to topiro sineba hanna haidaba topiro se aduga akoina kainda ain khangoidaba tabham thokana sini tabham thokdana sini hanna khangdaba sarkar se ji leibiranu sineba khoina ji haidajin se aduna mayam hoji khoina ngasi Sunil Karam chathariba adagi jitendra hoina tawriba makok thongba thawpubagi mathau oina makoi chaba tumba khangdana leba yang hi oina moi siba changba khangna chathariba jibu pharaga pullaga ek panab honakpa manba thabak se thawong se tawiganu matung si tawragadi leiba Manipur da leiba organization mayam nataga lekai da leiba khoi maira paibi thamoi chokna ngai da banina horakani punna akoi pathang hainaraga aduna masigi sarkar na tawba ngamoi da ba ore sarkar topiro akoi isan isabu ngakjan mo khona jage